So let's see. Let me add a section. All right. Let's see. Images, video, which is great. I do want that. Music. All right. So let's click on music. All right. This is kind of what I wanted. Now let's do listen up. Boom. Now looks like it's only going to allow you to add your SoundCloud. Let's see if it allow me to add something else. I know SoundCloud is pretty much what you use to embed a lot of your music. I'm going to think that this right here. I know it says, well, no, this is edit SoundCloud. So I'm guessing they think a lot of people have SoundCloud. I'm hoping they have something other than SoundCloud to be able to put your music in there. But for right now, if you do have a SoundCloud account or SoundCloud, uh, yeah, account, you can embed your music right there. And I guess that would be how you would add your music to your site for people to look at it or listen to it. So let's go ahead and say done for now. Save. But let's continue playing with this. Let's continue playing with this. So let's edit. See what else we can add. Let's add another section. I like the idea of adding sections. So let's add a video here. Now, this is definitely good. So this is going to allow you to, I'm going to assume, we'll find out when I click on one of them, add your YouTube page. And let's see. Video. Let's see if it allows me to change that. Add video. There you go. So you can add your YouTube URL or what's the video URL. So that has YouTube for now. But like you could probably add any video content URL. So if it's to YouTube, Vimeo, or any other video sites, you should be able to add it there. So let's add another section. Let's keep on going. Let's see what all we can add. And this is going to be another good thing. If you want to have a long page versus just having different sections, you can do it that way too. So let's see, you can add appointments, contacts, donation. So click here to make a donation to my site. All right, donate. And then I'm pretty sure when you hit edit, you'll be able to add a donate button. And you can create a design for that. All right, let's do done, save. And let's do another section. Add a section. Text, video, form, newsletter. That would definitely be something that I could see you want to add. If you have a newsletter set up, if you got that going, it's like you can add a place for that. If you already have that set up. Let's keep on going. Let's see what else we can continue adding. So what is form? Let's play with that. Okay, that is a way if someone want to get in touch with you or contact you, you can add that. Products. All right, so if you didn't want to add a separate section just for a store, which I can see this would be a good place for this. If you, for example, was using this page to showcase a certain song and you want to actually sell not just that, let's say music, I'm guessing you will also be able to, let's say if you made shirts or something along that line, you'll be able to add that here. So you can change the image, replace the image, change the caption. If you got a link to your store or what you're doing, you can do that there. Design, which basically what the shape is, original is pretty much how that looks. You can play around with stretching it. Animation, that's just, let's play with slide up. It's just a matter of how it looks when someone go to it. But we'll go back to that. All right, we're done with that. And from here, you can add an image description. This is my banging album. Leave it at that. All right, we're done here. Let's play one more section. Now you can see, again, for anyone looking to do this, it's all self-explanatory. I mean, yeah, you may have to play around with seeing what works for you, but it's really easy. Like let's play with tour dates. Here, again, everything is pretty much if you can do WordPress, or I say WordPress, but do Microsoft Word or any type of Word document, you can do this. And you really do not need to pay anyone. You know, you can do this yourself. And this is designed for that. Now, with the difference between the premium and the free, it's probably going to give you more options on which you can add. Like obviously, if you want to sell something, you definitely want to get more into the premium for Squarespace. In fact, if you're looking to sell something, looks like definitely going to be the place to go. So let's see if there's anything else we can play with. What's logo wall? Okay, that's just for logos. Location. That was similar to what we did before. We had a location area. Pricing. See people. Okay, that'd be, I guess, if you have a staff or crew, or if you want to use that section to talk about who you are and other people in your group, that'd be good for that. And then let's go back to music. I want to go back to music. I want to see if there's another option other than SoundCloud. And it may be because they just allow me to, or have me use SoundCloud for just the demo purpose. But I'm curious if there's another option. Let's see. Let's go. I'm gonna remove SoundCloud just for the fun of it. Let's add something here. And let's add, scroll down. Let's see, can you do Amazon, open table? Yeah, so this would be for donation. Obviously, this stuff would be a premium. Let's see. Flickr, SoundCloud, Twitter.